This video was recently unveiled by Chinese embodied AI startup Symbiosis Robotics, alongside a group of young researchers who have already published multiple best paper results in embodied intelligence. During the demonstration, the Unitree G1 does something that looks almost absurdly difficult for a humanoid robot. It expertly climbs into a racing go-kart cockpit, lowers its entire body into the extremely tight space, puts its hands on the steering wheel, places its feet on the pedals, and then actually drives the cart around a track. Looking at the tech, the absolute secret behind why this demonstration succeeds lies in what they call the direct perception control model. This is a unified foundation model that simultaneously processes visual depth, spatial feedback, internal body states, and physical force data. It then seamlessly outputs direct joint, motor torque, and hand position commands in one continuous neural loop, ultimately giving the robot a reflex-like intuition that actively allows it to counter-steer and balance dynamics on the fly. To train this system, the team carefully translated all the raw data into synchronized joint movements that the G1 robot can instantly understand and execute. They ended up with roughly 6,781 hours of human ego data, 4,024 hours from armed robots, 3,660 hours from wheeled humanoids, and 545 hours from bipedal platforms. Finally, the startup developed it strictly in-house as an advanced technical benchmark, with this direct perception control model remaining completely closed to the public.